my God, yung March and April vlog ko, guys.
Girl, it's May. Literally, it's the third na. School's literally over. Guys, very soon you'll see. Ngayon lang kami masaya. Tapos sa mga susunod na clips, nasa training na ulit.
You haul your...
Okay, purchase haul. Ito yung haul ko. Ayan, kanyang shade.
Stop
Then I got this ring. Oh, stop.
Move.
Then I got a bag. I'm not gonna take it all out, but...
Sorry, magulo yung hair ko eh. Siyang haba ng buhok. I like it. I'm happy.
Yeah, it's a good purchase. Feeling ko ino-oven tayo.
Free taste sa impyerno.
Free trial sa hell.
Guys, put your legs up.
Ayan. Si Sam talaga.
No, it's okay, Alpha. I'm okay with doing that. Ng mga boss nila. Ang sinabi, they will do everything to protect their boss and their mafia's kitten. Sa Wakanda kong slipper. You think you can... You think you can kill my mafia? You can, because my slipper is pure rubber and the fabric is really hard. And if you go near my mafia, you will die. Walang laban yan sa tsinelas kong gawa sa titanium! Sa titanium ka na titanium, kaya mo ba kumanta ng titanium? Pinaanak kang bobo, pinaanak kang bobo, at mamamatay ka bobo. Nasa part of it, nakikita niyo ba ang kanyang suot? Last minute, fake, last season, costume natin. Clothes, it's utterly pathetic. OMG! And that's true, bestie! It's so pathetic!
Yun lang line niya.
Pathetic, pathetic, pathetic. Whatever made you loser, go a loser, suck a winner.
Pum pum pa, pum 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 pa. Break it down. At Apo Nicolami. Shout out to you. Ay, Apo. Uy! 5, 6, 7, 8. Toot, 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 toot. DJ on the beat. And emergency, paging Dr. B. And emergency, emergency, paging Dr. B. Emergency, emergency, paging Dr. B. Emergency, emergency, paging Dr. BJ. Makipag-salamin, aminin.
Last na natin to kasi next week may training na po kami.
Hey, but it's just training. We can go before or after. What time ba?
Ha? Ewan ko.
Sana ka mga 3.
Ano daw? Let's see how high we will go. 500! Oy, too hard! Ang lakas mo raw! Sumama na sa amin. Di naman. Guys, it's the Grad Ball.
Hi.
Hello!
Hi, I'm Marilyn Monroe. Too much screen time. The next person, bro. Too much screen time.
Limbo's gonna edit that out.
Hi, guys.
Hey guys, look at my hair. Okay, bye. Check out the gown, the details. Check out my nails,
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
the eye makeup.
Welcome to Esperance Nightscape Cafe.
Ah, maganda.
We have a lot in store for all of you guys. Are you excited?
Boys, you guys see your boys.
Hi guys, I'm Jan.
Make some noise, guys. Let us hear you.
Let's make some noise.
Alright.
Before anything else, let us introduce ourselves first. My name is Denise Silva.
And my name is Dom Plana, and we will be your hosts for this evening. Grabe din. I feel so old na, no? When was
Hi
our...
guys.
Please don't say that. I know we're all a little bit older than everybody
know.
we see here, but we're still in the same generation as you guys.
Guys are also Gen Z, you know. I'm 1999, she's 1998, so like 24, 25. We're still close to you guys.
Can we pass as your batchmates? What do you guys think?
We're so up to date with TikTok, guys. Come on.
Hopefully, yes. Because earlier we were walking around and some photographers were asking us for photos, and we were like, no, we're not part of their batch.
Twinkle.
But we're very, very flattered. And can we just say kudos to the whole team
Everyone.
behind this setup? Because look at the amazing decoration.
Esperance, everyone.
Look around you, and you all look
Mama,
absolutely
storage!
amazing, you guys.
Okay, everyone. Okay. Good food or good sleep, and why? Okay, good answer. You know, no one has answered that question like that. So good answer. All right.
Hindi natin na
I'll move around.
simple. As in, ganun na sila tayo.
Who wants to be interviewed? Oh, her. Okay.
Lahat. Kung kasi binibigay.
Okay, please state your...
Passing the camera to the person who thinks this is a sleeping challenge. Nice joke. Hindi niya nga ata alam na tumabi ako sa kanya. Ang fun niya pag umalis ako tapos hindi alam ni Kaz. Yan na yung si Kaz Kadiri o sa gilid yung ano niya. Help screen.
Ito ba yung kadiri?
Oo, yeah. Jan, show yourself. Ano ginagawa mo dyan?
I'm washing my hands. No, look at me, I'm twerking.
Last.
Alam mo, malag TikTok siya sa harapan ng aso niya, tapos nahiya siya.
Kasi nakatingin na
Sabi ni Robin sa kanya.
Dapat sinabayan ka na dun. Nakakahiya pala. Hindi sila, yan sila lang yata.
One, two, three, sorry. Ituro niyo yung diploma. Ituro niyo yung diploma.
Kung ano ang magician si Abracadabra.
May pin din siya. Oo, yan.
Ready? One, two, three, sorry.
Broadway!
Bato, bato, bato.
Classroom! The moon is shining off. Signing off.
Two.
Wait lang. Ganda ng bata. Anong side ba yung graduate? Alright. Hindi ba tandaan yung pubeg? Ganun tayo.
Oh, alam mo, hindi ko nga makuha yung tassel ko eh.
Tassel.
Tassel nung iba nandito.
Tassel nakakurtina.
Pwede mo ba ako i-tiktok? Bakit ni Kaz? Your vlog? Yeah. You know, she actually tried to murder. Kaya mo ba sila dalawa? Broadway!
Bato, bato, bato.